What is up, guys? In today's video, I'll be playing as Puppeteer with Seal because of this comment right here requested it. Anyways, let's get on to the video.
Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi.
Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi.
Hey! Not snow. Have some fun! Yo, what's up, Puppeteer? You don't see me, kid. You don't see me.
Boing.
Can't do that, though. Yo, I hate the glitch. I hate that glitch. Glitch abuser. Glitch abuser. Run.
Oh, come on. Out of the window there.
You gotta go, or...
Just stop being a targeter. Well, I'll be there. How did that hit me but not him?
No idea.
I was like, well, I'll be damned.
I didn't want to watch him.
I got it.
Oh, I missed that so hard.
Come.
Oh my god, you suck. No way, I was right here. That reach. I hate that reach. It's a crazy reach.
Just stop using dolls, you weirdo.
I mean, it's not reportable. Whoa.
Save the AI.
Oh, you. No! I didn't know you could even do that.
Well, it's called Seal.
Oh, that's cool. I swear no one uses that. You just got AI. Thank you. Dumbass. Nope, I'm not dead. I'll have to be there. I missed! What the fuck? Mess. Oh, you suck.
What?
No, get to it! No! I'm fried. I'm so fried. I'm so fried. I'm fried. I'm fried. I think. Wait, that's my last life? No. Wait, no. Oh. We're both stupid dolls. I'm dead. point in running for this? Yeah, I just kept there's no point in running. There's no winning. GG, bro.
GG's.
Dude, puppeteer is so annoying to kill against.
Yeah.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
It's a puppeteer. God, bro. He's just dumb.
Hey, listen here! Listen here, bro! Listen here! Listen here!
There's no way I missed it. Let's go.
Dang it, bro.
I want to. Oh. Come here. Come here. I want to tell you something.
Dang it, bro. I suck at juking. My frick. Hi, frick.
No, we can't get him! We can't get him! He's there! Draco!
Ooh, let's go. Let's go.
Put your black ass on, boy!
What?
Hey, sup, buddy? You looking faster than me, Striker? Well, nice try! I'm fast! Yeah, you bitch ass missed. Oh, no. I'm down. Get it! Get the guy over there! Draco, please get his black ass!
I juked him like 2 times, bro.
Please better get his
I'm
black
on.
ass. Nice on! Dribble Draco!
Oh
Oh,
my.
this is a guaranteed lose. Draco's fucking...
Come on. Come on.
Yep, motherfucker.
Alright, we're out. I'm out. Oh, fuck.
Oh, your ass, Draco. You're just so...
Get the fuck on.
Shut up, dumbass. You suck. Fucking now that
Oh.
video will change your ass and put you in the lock and fuck you in the ass.
Oh wow.
GG's.
GG.
I'm a nigger, but
GG.
we're at it. Yes. Bro, when we all got locked up like
What?
Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city.
Why'd you bring him to me, bro? What the heck?
What do you mean bring him to me?
It's about
I
to.
didn't even get. Oh!
Ooh, you almost sealed me. You almost sealed my butt cheeks together.
Your buns. Imagine using puppeteer. Your buns! Your buns! Your buns! Get out of the game! This guy's the most unskilled little fart I've ever seen. Pop it.
Oh, what the heck? Mwah. Look cute.
Yeah, you can just tell him he's a little unskilled bum.
You look cute, killer. Can I give you a kiss?
Targeting.
What?
kidding, puppet. This puppet just downed me. Puppets are just so unskilled. And of course there's just gonna be a trap right next to me. Of course he drops a doll on me, bro. He's gay. How did the doll? It basically... Oh my gosh! How do you miss that bad? And you tried reach glitching too. You went whoosh. Oh my gosh, your buns. Reach glitching using puppet, using a doll, and you're still buns. That's funny. Hey, go for the other guy with 18 seconds. Seconds left. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's here. He's at my thing. Just out of reach though. Just out of reach though.
He's on me now. You can get him. And that's got him.
Oh crap. Yeah, I did. Maybe this is the first time you're trapping me. Maybe it's the first time.
Help, good God. He wants me. He's digging at me. He be digging at me. He be digging. He be digging at me. He be digging at me. What percentage we are? He threw a puppet at you. I'm in the middle of the game right now.
Bro, I hate your shuki, bro. I hate your shuki, bro. I hate your shuki, bro. Shuki, bro. Shuki, bro. Shuki, fuck, fuck. Shuki, the bunker, bro. Please help me, bro. Please help me, please help me. Why, bro? Why?
Puppeteer's gay. Thank you. You're gay. You know you are. Why is that guy in his cage? Why is that guy in his cage?
So that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a comment below to pick what killer I should be next, and the skill, of course. And yeah, bye.